So let's go to designer right now. You can see that there are multiple templates. This is the first part. When you go to designer, you'll go to template. This is templates, and you can choose from the templates. And once you're done with that, you can go to content. Just look how awesome it is. So you can see that according to the text, everything gets attached here, and you don't really need to complicate yourself with anything. You can play around with fonts, with sizes, with everything that you want. You can do stuff like that. You can even change the color of the text. There's a lot that you can do. And it will automatically get resized so that it looks its best every single time. Now you can change the image. You can even change the colors for the background, for the accent. You can do a lot of stuff. Then you can save it to the media folder. And then you can have folders within the media folder, and you can really organize your content very, very well. Now, the thing is for your social media manager, to make sure that they will not fail and they will not create the wrong kind of content for different social media stuff, you can see right here at the bottom that you have, this is the type of square image. These are the pixels by pixels. This is for Facebook. This is for Twitter. This is for Instagram. This is Instagram story. This is LinkedIn. And then again, you go to the square image and you can download it. First, you need to save it, of course, somewhere inside the media or a folder inside of the media folder. Then you can download the image, or you can use it in a post. And once it gets sent out to your social media profiles, it will get sent with the specific dimensions for that specific social media channel. So this is wonderful. You can start working with a lot of images right here, so that you will never mess up the dimensions and the pixels for any of these platforms.